Yeah, I think I got some problems here. So these are all my bowling balls that I have, and I've only got back into bowling exactly a year ago. So yeah, I think I got a little bit of issues here going on. I usually keep these underneath the bed. I've never actually really pulled them all out at one time, and holy moly, it is. I have a lot of bowling balls, so I might have to get rid of some or just slow down on my collection. But it is fun. So I wanted to kind of go through my list of bowling balls that I have. Maybe you have the same ones and you had a comment on how you like these, or if you're looking for one of the balls that I have, maybe I have something that you want and you want the opinion on how it rolls. So I'm going to go through left to right. So we got the Hammer Effect, Phase 2, Crimson Jackal, got the Fireball, Primal Rage Evolution, Ion Max, got the Rhino Pro, one of my favorites, Sneak Attack, another favorite, Arctic Vibe, very strong, Stealth Solid, got this on when it was discontinued, Theorem Pearl, the infamous Purple Hammer, that's a 15-pounder, Theorem Hybrid, Exponent Pearl, Supra GT. We've got the Stealth Pearl, Pure Madness, Archetype Hybrid, another one of my favorites. Very beautiful looking ball. Primal Shock. We've got the Venom Shock. We got the Sub-Zero Forge. Come over here. We got a Deviate Brutal Collision, the Real Time, the Mesmerize, the Katana Strike, and we have the Clear Storm or Storm Clear Spare Ball, and we have the Abide on the Ball Spare Ball as well too, along with some of my new ones that I have yet to drill. My Chill Pearl that I got from Buddies for 89 bucks just came in the mail yesterday. My Sneak Attack, so I have another Sneak Attack because I like the Sneak Attack so much. I bought another one before they were no longer available, and they are no longer available. So I have one of the few leftover 15-pound Sneak Attacks. Very good ball. It was only $99. And then I've got my brand new Hypnotize. This is the one I got from Bowling World on the Surprise Ball, $99 Surprise Ball. I really hit the jackpot on that one. So yeah, let me know if you have any of these balls, if you like them. Let me know if you're a collector like me and you got problems like me. I don't buy balls to, new balls to try to get a better score. I just buy them because I like them. I like them and I'm a collector and it's fun. It could be a hell of a lot worse, but yeah. Once I pulled all these out, I'm like, holy crap, I got some issues. Anyway, if you got the same balls or if you're looking for some of these balls that I have and you want to know how they roll, hit me up in the comments. If you like what you see, hit the like, subscribe button, and until next time, we'll see what balls I get next. All right. See you guys later.